Here we go. Once again, welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today I'm going to do some honey garlic wings. Honey garlic wings. Wings are favorite for everyone. Who doesn't like a good wing, fried wing or baked wing or chicken wings? Chicken wings, on the whole, are an appetizer that everyone loves. Now, I'm going to do some honey garlic wings, and you're going to love them. It's a very simple process, and we'll fry those wings, and we'll season them properly, and let's get going. Honey garlic wings. So now we have our wings here. I have washed, dried, washed them thoroughly. I had soaked them a little in some lime, salt, and vinegar water, and washed everything off. And now it's ready. I just pat them dry, ready to be seasoned. So all my ingredients are here. I have some salt, which I'll put in here first. Some black pepper. I love this piece of equipment here. It grinds by gravity. Lovely. Yeah, so salt and pepper in. We're gonna rub this up. Because I'm wearing gloves, we're gonna go in with our hands and do this stuff, you know. 1 egg white. 1 egg white. To that, I'm going to add some sweet chili sauce, some oyster sauce. I'm going to put the amounts in the description box below so that we all know exactly how much to use and stuff like that. Some fresh thyme. I'm just going to use a little bit of fresh thyme there. And some scallion, a little bit of scallion. Leave the rest for the sauce. And this is some chili oil, a little bit of chili oil there. And we're gonna go in, and we're gonna get all this rubbed in. Once I rub that in, I have to come in with the cornstarch. Cornstarch. That's gonna pull everything together. Some cornstarch. All right. So these look well marinated, well combined and everything. And I'm going to just leave this for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll be back and we'll start the process. So here I have a little cup and a half of flour, and we're gonna give this a little seasoning. This is a little bit of chili powder I'm putting in there. Give it a little kick, and a teaspoon of bouillon powder, chicken bouillon powder. Give it another level, another depth of flavor to enhance. And that's a little accent. I'm going to give this a mix here. While our oil is heating, we'll just start to dredge our wings. Just dredge our wings. The flour. Just make sure it's totally dredged all over. You know, it has Now the flour gets into everything, into every crevice, I should say. I even press it on there so that the flour could really stick to it, you know. Okay, so we're not gonna crowd our pan. We're gonna do these 4 pieces at a time. You see how many can fit comfortably in there, in the pot. So let's switch over here. Let's check the temperature of the oil. I'm at 375 or 374. It's a little too hot. I want it at about 360 maybe, because when I start putting the pieces in there, the temperature is going to drop. So I'm going to just let it go down to about 350 or 360 before I start putting them in there, because I don't want them to cook too quickly. The outside is going to cook and the inside is not going to cook. You know, that kind of thing. So let's get it to the right temperature, and then we'll start our frying process. So now that my oil is to the temperature that I want it, I'm going to just start put these guys in there. Cool. So it's going to take maybe a minute and a half per side until it gets nice and golden brown, and then we'll flip it over and do the other side. So let those go for a while I dredge another set of chicken. And we're not going to play around with these. We're just going to leave them be. And let the oil do its work. Okay. And I'll be back. So here we are. We flip them over. They're getting nice and golden brown. It takes about 2 minutes for each side, because these are a little thicker wings than usual. 2 minutes for each side. And you're doing wonderful. So I just give them another turn, so that just to make sure that it cooks evenly all over. We just need about another 30 seconds and we'll be done. Some of the smaller guys are already done. just go in with our second batch. And we let this go. So now that I finished doing all frying the chicken wings, I have in here some scallion, thyme, and butter. We're gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna make the honey garlic sauce, and this is a couple of tablespoons of tomato sauce. I just put in there. And we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit. Now that our sauce is cooked, the main ingredient, the garlic. And we're gonna let this garlic cook for about a minute. So it's nice and fragrant already. And the other main ingredient, the honey. So we get this honey in here. And let this cook for a little bit. Get it all mixed in. That cooked, and at this point I'll just add a little bit of about a tablespoon of hoisin sauce. And we turn the stove off. Toss our chickens back in and coat them with that sauce. Get all that garlic goodness on there. Here we have it, guys. Your honey garlic chicken wings. All coated nicely. Honey garlic chicken wings. Hey, and it's a wrap. Thank you for watching. See you in the next clip. And once again, guys, here's a taste test. Let's taste the garlic honey chicken wings. Here we go. It's awesome. The honey is there, the garlic is there, all the flavors.
What else?
And it's fantastic. So like, share, subscribe.
And a little bit of heat.
And I'll see you in the next clip.